That's going past, Harry.
Yeah, yeah. We're going to possibly keep a plan for that.
Right.
Air conditioners.
Yeah. 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 Yeah, it's good. Like, a lot of people like, they don't like younger than us, don't know what like the old fashioned big TVs are now, do they? So
Well, this is what he wants to do.
You didn't get permission to go behind the counter.
Don't break the rules, I don't care.
you're welcome.
Okay.
Fabulous.
Fabulous.
Mm.
You're very welcome. It is. To be honest, I always forget about the fan. I've been really warm today, so I'm feeling that now. I'm like, I need to turn that on more often, I think.
Well, we've just been in the nostalgia tea rooms, you know.
Oh,
further down.
right, yeah.
And we just had a coffee and that there sometimes. So I said, you know, I think I'll probably leave these on.
Yeah.